While Ayurveda offers valuable insights, modern science also provides evidence-based recommendations for optimal timing of daily activities. Here's a balanced approach that combines both ancient wisdom and contemporary research. Ideal timing for daily activities. 1. Wake up. Aim to wake up at a consistent time each morning, preferably between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. 1. This allows for a productive start to the day and helps regulate your body's internal clock. 2. Exercise. Morning workout. Ideal for those who prefer a burst of energy early in the day. It can help boost metabolism and improve focus. Evening workout. Suitable for those who find it easier to exercise after work. It can help relieve stress and improve sleep quality. 3. Breakfast. Eat breakfast within an hour of waking up. 3. A nutritious breakfast fuels your body and mind for the day. 4. Lunch. Aim for a balanced lunch between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. 5. Dinner. Have your last meal a few hours before bedtime, around 7 p.m. or earlier. 6. Sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. 6. Establish a calming bedtime routine to prepare your body for rest. Additional tips for optimal health. 1. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. 2. Stress management. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. 3. Mindful eating. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. 4. Regular checkups. Schedule regular health checkups. 5. Balance work and rest. Avoid overworking and take regular breaks. By following these guidelines and tailoring them to your individual needs and lifestyle, you can optimize your daily routine and improve your overall well-being.